ARC-1200 stud welding machine. Connect the main plugs of ARC-1200 drawn ARC stud welder to 3-phase AC 415 volt. Knob to adjust the timing and attach the earthing connector to the machine. Select the collet as per the stud's diameter. Attach the collet to the gun and tighten it to avoid sparking. Then, adjust the center of the stud to the gun. Keep the stud tip 3 mm to 5 mm above the ferrule. Adjust the lift as per the stud diameter. After setting up the gun, connect it to the machine. Then, turn on the machine. You can adjust the timing as per the diameter of the stud. Check the lift of the gun for accuracy and desired output. Being the leaders of the market, we aim for perfection. You can take the gun out perpendicularly to get a good collet live. Check the weldability on the sample and set the timing accordingly.